Hello guys, I just wanted to explain something really quick to you. The price of copper has increased almost by 44% this year. This is something affecting all electrical and lighting manufacturers, and I believe it is important to explain it clearly and transparently to you guys. Copper is one of the most important raw materials used in lighting products, and it is used in wiring, drivers, circuit boards, and many internal electrical components. At the beginning of 2025, the international price of copper was around $9,000 per metric ton. Today, the price is about $12,950 per ton. That means the price has increased almost by 44% in just 1 year. This increase is mainly driven by global demand from electrical vehicles, renewable energy systems, data centers, and electronics manufacturing. Because copper is essential for electrical products, this changes directly increases production costs for lighting manufacturers. Another factor that affects manufacturing costs is the exchange rate. At the beginning of 2025, $1 was around 1.20 RMB. Today, the exchange rate is around 6.87 to $6.89. This means the RMB has become stronger. For factories like ours, most raw materials, labor, and operating costs are paid in RMB, while international sales are usually settled in US dollars. So when the exchange rate changes, the value we receive in RMB becomes very low. In simple terms, even if the US dollars price stays the same, the actual value we receive for production becomes smaller. When you combine these two factors, rising copper prices and exchange rate changes, the overall manufacturing cost increases significantly. And this situation is affecting many factories across the lighting industry, not just our company. For this reason, we recently made a small adjustment to our pricing for new orders, but I want to make it very clear. The adjustment only reflects the real increase caused by copper prices and exchange rate. We did not add any additional margin or profit increase. Other cost increases such as domestic labor, electricity, and factory operating expenses were not included in this adjustment. Our goal is simply to keep production stable and continue delivering reliable products to our customers. We truly value our long-term cooperation with our partners around the world, and we will always try our best to remain fair when the market condition changes. Thank you for taking time to understand the current situation in the lighting industry. If you want to learn more about our products or manufacturing process, feel free to contact us or follow our page. Thank you. We'll continue sharing more insights from the factory in the lighting industry.